Welcome back to Gruber Motor Company. As you know, this is an electric vehicle shop, not an internal combustion engine shop. But today we're going to use something from the ice world to help us take a very heavy item out of this box. And in the interest of surprise, we're not going to tell you what's in this box, but we'll tell you that it has something to do with EVs. So what we're going to use is something that comes from the internal combustion engine world. This is a fairly standard engine hoist used to take engines out of cars. All right, so we're ready to reveal what's inside this box. Looks like we've got a bunch of packing material, and we're going to bring that relic from the internal combustion engine world over here now to hoist out this 500-pound whatever it is. Okay. Maybe we got to take this stuff out first. We're almost there. So it looks like what we have here is a Tesla Model S drive motor on an old school internal combustion engine hoist. So what we have here is the equivalent of an engine swap in an internal combustion engine car, except this is the drive motor for a EV, for a Tesla Model S. What we have here is a three-phase inverter in this section here that receives DC input from the large propulsion battery, which then feeds a three-phase AC induction motor on this side, which then couples to a transaxle that has two shafts coming out of it that feed the rear tires. And what's so amazing is, if you look at the size of this three-phase AC induction motor, it's about the size of a crock pot, yet it puts out just under 400 horsepower. To do that with an internal combustion engine car, you would need this replicated 4 times in terms of size and weight. Thank you for watching another one of the Gruber Motor Company Tesla videos. Hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll be bringing lots more content your way.